everyone! Today we'll be reviewing the national flag of Brazil. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kay and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. The flag consists of a green background with a yellow rhombus shape at the center. The flag is charged with a blue disc with 27 5-pointed stars of various sizes, and a white curved band containing the words Ordem e Progresso written in green, which is Portuguese for order and progress. The chart is highly detailed and complicated. The stars represent various constellations as well as individual stars. Getting the positions and sizes correct is extremely difficult. Drawing this flag from memory is challenging to say the least. For this principle, the flag scores 0 out of 10. The flag was adopted in 1889. The original flag had 21 stars. The reason for this is because the stars represent the states of Brazil, and at the time there were 21. The flag has been updated a number of times as new states have been formed. The current flag of 27 stars represent 26 states and 1 federal district. The federal district contains the country's capital, Brasilia. It is represented on the flag by the South Pole star, which all the other stars revolve around. This is meant to symbolize the stability of the federal district. The white band is said to represent either the equator or the ecliptic, which is the path the sun takes in relation to the stars. Some claim the band represents neither of these, and is just the place chosen for the motto. The star above the band is said to represent the small portion of the country that's in the northern hemisphere, as well as representing the state of Para. The motto comes from the French philosopher Auguste Comte, whose own motto was love as a principle and order as the basis, progress as the goal. The Brazilian motto was shortened to order and progress. Moving on from the charge, we have the green and yellow. The modern flag resembles previous flags of the old Brazilian Empire, which existed until Brazil was declared a republic. The green represents the House of Braganza, which was the family of Pedro I, the first emperor of Brazil. The yellow represents the House of Habsburg, which was the family of his wife Maria Leopoldina. Some attribute the green to representing the Amazon rainforest, while the yellow represents the country's mineral resources, but this is a modern interpretation with no supporting evidence. In conclusion, we have 2 issues. One is the lack of clarity regarding the white band. Our other issue is the fact a huge portion of the flag represents old ruling families from the past. Having stars representing the various states is good symbolism, even though their configuration makes the flag extremely complicated. For this principle, the flag gets 6 out of 10. The flag uses 4 colors. Those are green, yellow, blue, and white. This is 1 more than the maximum recommended number of 3. All 4 colors are part of the standard set. There is good contrast. The dark colors of blue and green contrast well with the lighter yellow and white colors. Overall, for color, the flag scores 8.5 out of 10. The flag's charge is almost identical to the country's seal. As previously mentioned, the complicated nature of the stars is a huge problem, and Brazil also commits the great sin of having writing on its flag. For this principle, the flag scores 0 out of 10. The flag is highly distinctive. No other sovereign country's flag looks anything like Brazil's. The large yellow rhombus is unique to national flags, and their charge of white stars on a blue disc with the motto is of course unique as well. For this principle, the flag gets 10 out of 10. So now we reviewed the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So For the national flag of Brazil, we get a final score of 4.9 out of 10.